thunderstorm warning for southwestern Greene County until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southeast of Ash Grove, or 8 miles north of Republic, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northwestern Springfield, Republic, Willard, Brookline, Dark. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 59 and 68, and between mile markers 70 and 74. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Greene, Missouri.
No chum dumping. $1 billion